Hi, Viper chemistry students. Hey, here's a problem off of your molar mass practice activity, and it is sodium chloride. So that Na is a +1 charge, and ClO2 is a polyatomic ion for chloride, and it's a compound. But how would we solve for the molar mass of that? And so what we're going to do here is we're just going to break this compound down and write out the atomic mass units for each one. Actually, we'll write it in grams because the reason why we can do that is because when we have a mole of anything, then we have Avogadro's number of those things, which equates to, with the atomic mass unit values, equates to grams. And so let's do that now. So we have sodium. We only have one of those. This is how I like to solve these, is just go ahead and list how many of each of the elements you have. Turns out that this one, sodium, is 22.99. And we're always going to write these to the nearest 100th value. Okay, so that's 1 mole of sodium would be that many grams of sodium, 22.99. Now chlorine, there's only one chlorine. And chlorine is 35.45. Now I'm getting these values off of the periodic table. So when you look up an element on the periodic table, it's going to give you two numbers. One number is the atomic number, which is the number of protons, and the other number is the atomic mass. So I am writing down the atomic mass value, so that would be that many grams. Okay, and then now there's two oxygens, and so I like to just set up my problems that way over here on the left side. So O2 here is two oxygens, which means you're going to have to multiply the atomic mass times 2. So I'll do that first, and oxygen is 15.99. grams. Now the idea is just to add all of that up. When we add that combined number of grams, we end up with 90.42. Erase a little of that right there. So like I was saying, 90.42 grams is the molar mass of sodium chloride. Okay, so that's kind of how we do that. There are other problems to practice on, but the key thing here to remember is that you just have to account for every atom in a compound, knowing that really what we're looking for is the mass in grams of a mole of that. Okay? All right, I hope this helps. And like always, be sure you reach out if you have questions on any of this. Good luck.